Belt sanders are easy-to-use tools for smoothing rough areas, leveling large surfaces, or trimming to a scribed line. Unlike random orbital sanders, belt sanders produce a linear motion, allowing you to sand with the grain. To provide a little tool buying help, our team has researched the latest and best belt sanders on the market. Here are our top recommendations. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best belt sander from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita 9403 4x24 Belt Sander. My top pick is the Makita 9403 Belt Sander, renowned for its remarkably low noise level compared to its competitors. Featuring a 4x24 belt that operates at a rapid speed of 1,640 feet per minute, this belt sander excels in delivering swift and precise sanding results. Its innovative labyrinth design effectively safeguards the motor and bearings against moisture, sawdust, and other contaminants. Furthermore, it boasts a sizable rear handle for enhanced grip stability, complemented by a contoured front grip that enhances maneuverability and control. Despite its robust performance, this belt sander remains lightweight, facilitating comfortable portability during extended projects. Additionally, it incorporates a dust extraction port equipped with a removable dust collector bag, effectively minimizing airborne sawdust for a cleaner working environment. Number 2. Wen Corded Belt Sander. The Wen 6321 Corded Belt Sander with dust bag is the next contender, offering robust performance and reliability for effortless sanding across a variety of surfaces. Boasting a potent 7-amp motor, this belt sander achieves an impressive speed of 13 feet per second, ensuring smooth sanding results on diverse workpieces. Its compact and lightweight design enhances maneuverability and comfort during operation, while a user-friendly trigger allows for precise speed control. Additionally, a convenient trigger lock feature enables users to maintain a consistent sanding speed effortlessly. Changing the sanding belt is hassle-free, as it requires no additional tools, and the detachable dust bag facilitates easy disposal of accumulated sawdust when full. Number 3. Skil Belt Sander. The Skil 751001 Sandcat Belt Sander boasts an innovative design and advanced features to enhance sanding performance. Equipped with a medium grit 3x18 belt, it facilitates sanding across various surfaces, including rough edges and curves. Incorporating pressure control technology, this sander alerts users when excessive pressure is applied to a surface, ensuring optimal sanding results. Additionally, the auto track system prevents the belt from sliding or deviating from its track during operation. A transparent dust canister with a microfilter system efficiently captures dust particles, preventing them from entering the machine and ensuring a cleaner work environment. The sander's top handle provides a secure grip and enhanced control during sanding tasks, while a single lever simplifies the process of changing the sanding belt. Number 4. Craftsman Belt Sander. The Craftsman Belt Sander stands out as a top-notch sanding tool, boasting a robust 7-amp motor capable of reaching a maximum speed of 800 RPM for swift material removal. Its 3x21 coarse grit belt, positioned at an angled design, facilitates sanding across various surfaces, including joined workpieces. Additionally, the sander is ergonomically designed with a molded handle for comfortable gripping during sanding sessions. Furthermore, it incorporates an efficient dust collection system, complete with a removable dust bag included in the package, ensuring a cleaner workspace. To streamline operation, it features a tool-free belt release mechanism, simplifying the process of changing belts. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.